This is a lot of stuff. Hi everyone, it's Sherry and welcome back to Sherri'sDivine Styles. I'm back with another cleaning video, and in this video I am cleaning my office. This room has just been collecting things left and right. Everything has been piling on top of each other. When I do come in here and get things out of the filing folders, I do not put the stuff back. So this room is a complete hot mess. It's the end of the weekend and the end of the night. I want to be more prepared and productive for the new upcoming week, so I need to go ahead and tackle my office. My channel is all about bringing your styles to life, one DIY at a time, and the look and style that I try to achieve the most in my home is a clean and organized room. A clean and organized look, it looks more appealing. And for me, when I'm in a clean room, I feel more relaxed. I feel more calm. I don't feel like I'm rushing to get through the room because I don't want to deal with it. And I don't feel my anxiety just shooting up to the sky. So if you are in the need of some motivation, just keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and if you have not already, subscribe. There's a lot of light adjusting going on in this video, and that's because my camera is adjusting to the photography lights that I have on. The light fixture that I have in this room does not give out enough light for this room. Even with the daylight light bulb, it still doesn't give the amount of light that I would like unless I have the windows and the curtains open. That's the only time this room is bright. So I'm sorry for the lights going in and out. There's nothing going on with your phone or your computer or whatever you're watching this video on. That's just my camera adjusting. Not only do I want to switch up the light fixture in this room, I also want to put some new decor out on the bookshelves. We had this decor for a while now. Want to add something new, something fresh, something to brighten up the room even more. So you guys stay tuned for that video. The office is cleaned and organized. That's one thing I don't have to worry about for the upcoming week or on Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure your notification bells are turned on and follow me on my social media platforms at Sherri'sDivine Styles. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.